Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna learn how we can remove the watermark from any video you want to remove. Either if you're downloading from any platform, it's showing you watermarks there which you cannot upload on your platform on your YouTube channel because the watermark gonna or they can claim it back or anything. So we're gonna learn how we can. I'm gonna show you properly how you can do it fully free, uh, without any, you don't need to put any kind of card details or anything like that. So let's start. I'll show you a video I have here, so just gonna play the video first. So that's the video with this watermark showing. So I'm just gonna remove this watermark using my way. So the link is this one. I will put this link in description as well, so just copy the link. I'll show you now. Go into your browser here, just paste the link here and then enter, and here it will bring you here. So just open file, or you can drag and drop. So open file, wherever your file is, go in that folder and open like that, and it will show you here like a video editor. So what you have to do, you have to select the area where you want to remove. For example, this area, right? I'm just gonna put everything in this box and it start applying there as well. So as you can see, it's gone now. So I'm just gonna play the video again just to see how it looks. As you can see, you cannot even tell that there was anything. So when you press apply, and then you are able to download. So I think it's applied now. Let's play again. There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna save here. Click save. You can select the quality here. You have for 1080p, you have to, I think, pay that, but 720 gonna work for me. Select that and then export. I'll show you as well the full video. Save now. It's downloading. So let's go back here. So this one is with watermark, as you can see, and now this one is without watermark. I'm sure you are not able to tell. So yes, you can use this link. This is really helpful. I use this every daily basis whenever I want to remove any watermark or any picture I download. So it's really handy for the videos, because for the picture you have so many softwares, but for the video this is really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.